1991 GMC Sonoma SLE two-wheel drive here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And wait till you see how clean this is. One owner out of Iowa. Odometer 18,408 is all. And wait till you see the paint on this thing, the interior. But first, let's take a look at this front bumper, grille, headlight bezels. How clean it is up here. Of course, a 4.3 liter V6 underneath the hood. Automatic transmission, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. I've had the AC blowing cold, and it has been converted from the R12 to the 134A. Look, the lack of any sort of rock chips, touch up. Very clean front end, as well as the rest of this truck. And you're going to be able to see the undersides, interior, engine bay, bed. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Great looking GMC wheel in this truck. Beauty ring. BF Goodrich. TA radials. And look at the shine and the finish on that paint. It's 1991, folks. Two-tone with the red and gray lower. Gray interior, cloth. We're going to get around to the driver's side. Check that out here in just a little bit. I'll tell you what, let's take a peek. Just to show you how clean this is. Look at that. Those seats don't look like they've hardly been worn, sat in, or used. I guess with that miles, they really haven't much. Stock dash, good shape, door panels. Not showing any wear on the armrest or any of the fabric on the door panel. And then look at the bed. Doesn't look like that's been used much, huh? It's one of those you can almost put into the time capsule category. And look at how nice and straight those panels are, not full of any dings, scratches, dents. I mean, it is a 1991. You're probably going to find an imperfection here or there, but overall, what a beauty. Get a good look at the rear bumper. Familiar with these at all? How many times they start to rust and corrode? Down below, you see the paint peeling off of them. And again, all the still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. We will start it up, let you hear it run. I'm going to take a peek underneath the hood with you here in just a second, show you how clean that is. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason's going to take it for a drive. And if you like GM trucks, no matter what size or what year, style, model, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. That can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And as you can see, up and down the driver's side of this vehicle, also free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Let's take a look at this interior. So manual locks, manual windows. Again, door panels really showing no wear whatsoever. Take a look at the seat over here on this driver's side. Let me step back so you can see the true color of that seat. Now this is not a stain or anything. It's just kind of the nap of how the cloth lays. Same with back here. What headliner? Headliner looking good. Cruise control, tilt column. There's the miles. There's a 6-digit odometer, so 18,408. AM, FM cassette player. Now, I did have that working earlier. It was a little touchy, a little crackle out of one of the speakers, and a little touchy, but I did have it working earlier. We'll try it here in a second. Top of the dash looking good. I'm going to prop this hood open here in a second. I want to show you quick how nice and clean this engine bay is. Let me pause it a second. It's going to have a prop rob it. Let's take a peek at this and we'll fire it up. Let's hear it run and Jason will take it for a drive. That hood liner. How clean that is for 1991. And then look at this engine bay. I'll quick show you without it running so you can hear me and take a peek at it. And like I said, we will fire it up. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC's been converted. All right, let's fire this thing up. Hear how it runs. There we go, fired right off, of course, fuel injected. All right, gauges. Oil pressure. That came up. Battery gauge. And temp. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. I can try this, see if this radio would pop on. Like I said, it was touchy earlier, but it was working, so it could be a short. No fault in it, but yeah. We'll power up now. Check with your sales consultant when you call in if you got questions on that. Otherwise, dash, stock, again, cruise and tilt, 18408. Let's go ahead and take a peek underneath the hood at it running. Flip around to the back. Sounds pretty stock, what you'd expect. And I don't have the AC on right now, so you won't hear the clutch kick on and off. 4.3 liter V6 1991 GMC Sonoma SLE regular cab, 2-wheel drive, little over 18,000 miles. Is all one owner out of Iowa. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus. Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars.
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
Our showroom.
One of 114.
And beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're going for a drive in a very nice 1991 GMC Sonoma. Think S10, but the GMC edition. In amazing condition. No cracks in the dash. Nothing worn off of the switches, the cruise, the headlight switches, anything like that. The pedals, the carpet, it all looks really nice, and the reason is it has less than 19,000 miles on it. Braking is very smooth. Looking around, it's like I'm in 1991. The door panels, the seats, everything looks great. You do still have to watch for idiots driving trailers. There we go. Sorry about that. Beautiful interior, beautiful exterior. Even the bed has never been touched from the looks of it. Nice and smooth. Our oil pressure is showing 65 psi. The battery gauge is over 14 volts. The temperature is about 180. Even doing the turn signal, it feels brand new. They're working, of course. This is an automatic on the column with overdrive, so you're getting decent miles per gallon for the day. Speedometer working. The one thing I do not see is a fuel gauge and needle. Check our retail report, see if that is listed as functional. Just amazing. Another one of those trucks I really want to have for myself. Check out the 1991 GMC Sonoma pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.